everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my Tribe beauty bag in the mail today. If you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so what is today's date? It is November 5th and your girl is still caught in spooky season. I saw this shirt in my closet and I'm like, this is definitely like the vibes that I'm going for because I'm still in spooky season. And it says, stay spooky. So stay spooky. I'm tiny, so like when I sit in the chair, I always look like, you ever see like, this is me too when I'm in my car, like I'm driving, but like I'm like all the way down here because I'm like so tiny. But yeah, I gotta like sit up. But yeah, stay spooky. So I'm still in my Halloween spirit, even though it's November. I'm still not gonna give up my Halloween shirts, but I'll get back into, you know, the other season soon. But I said, you know what, this week I'm still gonna dress in like my Halloween shirts, cause why not? Why not? But nevertheless, I just want to show you guys what I got. I got this in the mail today. I'm super excited. As always, before I get into my boxes though, I always want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome all. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, which is why I do so many makeup subscription unboxings on my channel, which is why I do so many makeup hauls, so many makeup mystery boxes. I do them all here because your girl loves makeup and I love trying new things. So here I am doing another unboxing for you guys. So if you like my content and you like stuff like that, then I would say become a part of my YouTube family. And if you love my channel a lot, give me a like. I love the thumbs up. They really help the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty. So we're going to finally get into this. So this is a bi-monthly bag, or sometimes it's a box. Last month I got a box. This month I got it in a bag. Now this is my second subscription box from Tribe Beauty. You guys suggested that I try it on my channel because lately, you know, BoxyCharm has been more skincare, and I'm like, I need some true makeup boxes, and you guys were like, try Tribe Beauty. So here I am trying it yet again. Now this subscription is $39.99 a month. No, bi-monthly, so it's every other month. So I don't think that's that bad. It's not cheap, but you're not paying it every month. It's 5 full-size items that you're supposed to get, which I love because I hate when we get small items, because 9 times out of 10 I don't go for like the travel size. I tend to go to more my full-size items. Also, this is supposed to be a value of at least $120. So I'm excited to see what I got, and you also get to pick. You get to get like one selection of what you get to pick. I think I got to choose a palette. So like I said, I always have so many subscriptions, so I never, by the time I get the actual box or bag, I don't even remember what I picked. But I want to say it was, I got to choose between 2 different palettes. But we'll see when I open this up. Alright, so let's see here. It looks like everything is in here in a nice little plastic, so there's nothing else left in here. So we could get rid of that. Alright, so it tells me what I got on the card here, which is nice. I love when they tell you what you received. And I've also forgot to mention that Tribe Beauty Box is all indie brand items, which I like because sometimes I get stuck in the name brand this, the name brand that. But a lot of indie stuff that I've been getting from like Ipsy, I actually love it more than name brand stuff. So I like to try indie stuff as well. Sometimes you got to give other people a shot. And also the subscription box is, it's indie brand things, but they're all woman indie brand things. So I'm all about empowerment for us ladies too as well. So I'm all here for the cause. So now let's see what we got. Alrighty. So my first thing I see here is a Nomad. It says Bathers. Oh, but it says it's a highlighter. Sorry, I don't know why it says Bathers on here, but it's not. I thought it was something for the bath, but it's not. So let's see what this highlighter looks like. Hopefully it's something that I could wear. The only bad thing I would say about a lot of these subscription boxes is they make all of the stuff for lighter skin tones, but also people of darker skin tones need stuff too. So let's see if this is something that I could actually wear. It's beautiful. I don't know if it's going to be too light for me, but it definitely is a beautiful, beautiful... I don't even know if this is going to show on camera. It's like a corally gold. Very, very pretty. It has a mirror on the back. I would try it. I mean, it doesn't go with my vibes today, but I would try it just because it's like a goldy coral. So we'll see if this is any good for me. Now I see a palette here. I'm not sure if everybody got this, or I want to say I got to choose something, but I never remember because I have too many subscription boxes. But nevertheless, I got this beautiful, totally tubular palette by Lorella. I don't think I own anything from Lorella eyeshadows or anything Lorella eyeshadow. Lorella Cosmetics. But let's see. So let's see how the palette looks. It has a beautiful sleeve to protect the palette. So these are one of the palettes that look like a book. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. First of all, I love... So this side is a mirror, which I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want you guys to see the reflection of all my lights and cameras. But this looks beautiful, guys. Wow. Look at this. Guys, look. This palette is so beautiful. I'm here for this beautiful, like the hot pink. Love the hot pink, love the purple. Obviously, pink's my favorite color, so I always go for like the pink colors, but I'm not afraid of color. I love I have black lipstick on. I think in my last video, I think I have like green lipsticks on. So, not afraid of color, and I cannot wait to try this palette out. So, this is why, like I said, I love trying like indie brands, because lately, a lot of my palettes that I've been going to have been indie brands. Like, I want to say it was from Try Beauty Box, my last box, the palette that they gave me. I've been wearing that like literally almost every other day. It was from, I think, Bella Cosmetics or something like that. And the palette was amazing. Amazing! Who would have thunk, right? Who would have thunk? So, can't wait to try this out. They also give you prices too. So the palette is $29. This illuminator is $17. The next thing I got is Able Skincare. It's a eye serum. So I'm not one for having a whole bunch of skincare. If you're new to my channel, then you'll know that like I'm over getting all this a plethora of skincare from all the boxes that I get. So I normally give all my skincare away. If you saw my skincare video of like the majority of the skincare that I have, then you understand why like I haven't really been like any skincare that I get, I just give it away because I would like to try to use all the stuff that I have, and the more I keep opening other stuff, then I'm not going to get a chance to try everything. So I've just been giving away my skincare. I've never heard of Able Skincare. It says Able Skincare London. I've never heard of this brand, but Let's see how much that costs. So that is $160. Obviously, probably for the full size of this, but this is like a travel size. Which now I'm thinking, it said that everything that they give is full size, but this is would 15 ml be considered a full size item? I would think like eye cream that's full size is usually 30 ml, but I'm not sure about that. Alright, so the next thing I got is a Perlice Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Mask. I also got another mask in here. This is a Rich Collagen Face Mask. So I got 2 masks. The next thing I got is a Suva Liquid Lipstick from Suva Beauty. So I don't think, have I tried any liquid lips from Suva Beauty? I'm not sure, was this my choice? Like I couldn't even tell you guys. I really couldn't tell you guys what was my choice. But nevertheless, that is everything that I got. I think I'm most excited about the palette. I always say like the perfect subscription box, beauty subscription box, should always have like a palette in their box. Because I think getting an eyeshadow palette is so exciting. If I had my own makeup subscription box, I would do something like have a palette, I would have like a lip color, I would have like, so you could complete a whole look. So 5 items of things that you could complete a look with. So like an eyeshadow palette, maybe a lipstick and a gloss and a blush, you know, a mascara or a liner, like something to be able to complete a whole look, in my opinion. So I got this liquid lip, I got the palette, I got the highlighter, which is 3 items of 4. I got the 2 masks, which I guess equals to 4 things. And this eye cream, which equals to 5, which is supposed to be 5 things. So, I would say, I think I like the first box that I got. This box I'm not too happy about because I always feel like, yes, although it was more makeup, I don't like when I get like a lot of skincare stuff. And I don't know if that sounds kind of like picky. I know beggars can't be choosers when you do, you know, beauty subscription boxes, makeup subscription boxes, all that good stuff. But like, I just like when I get like full makeup. That's just my opinion though. I just prefer more makeup. I prefer like getting maybe like 1 skincare item as opposed to, some people may say this is 2, but I just prefer getting more makeup. That's just my opinion. But nevertheless, what did you guys think? What did you guys think about this Tribe Beauty box for this time around? Like I said, I'm loving this palette. I think I'm going to wear this palette tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I love doing color on my eyes and stuff like that. So, going to wear that tomorrow. And you guys can follow up me on like the performance of that palette. The Suva, oh, I forgot to mention the Suva Beauty liquid lipstick was $18. And the masks were $6 each. So that's supposed to equal to over $120. Okay, so I add everything up. It was $76, but they say the Able Eye Cream is a $160 value. But this is not like a full-size eye cream, so it's kind of hard to say this was $160 value when we didn't even get the whole full size of this. We got a travel size. If you add in the $160, then the box is going to be $236, but obviously it's not because it's not full size. But overall, like I said, loving this. Beggars can't be choosers, so you're not always going to like everything in your boxes, unfortunately. But overall, with just this, I would have been happy. Alrighty guys, so that's the ending of my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love. I got my Goddess Provisions box in the mail. So let's see if this box, oh, this box is heavy this time around. Let's see if this box was any good, because the last 2 boxes I wasn't that happy. And I want to say this is going to be my 6th box. So depending on if this is any good, I will either be canceling or keeping this subscription. So stay tuned for my next video for that. And that's it, guys. Love and